If your blower motor windings are open or shorted, you will notice clear electrical and performance symptoms right away. Start by checking continuity with a multimeter set to the resistance scale. For an open winding, you will read infinite resistance or no continuity between the motor leads when tested pairwise, which means the winding circuit is broken and the motor needs replacement. For a shorted winding, you will see unusually low resistance between the hot and common leads, or any two-phase leads in a multi-winding motor, and you may also detect continuity between a winding and ground, which indicates insulation failure. A shorted winding often causes the circuit breaker to trip immediately when power is applied or the motor to draw far more current than its rated value, so measure running or starting current if you can safely do so. When you observe low resistance or ground continuity, isolate power, tag and lock out, and replace the motor rather than attempting repairs unless you have specialist rewind equipment and training. Always test the capacitor if the motor uses one, because a failing capacitor can mimic winding issues by causing high current and overheating, but remember, capacitor problems will not show an open or short on winding resistance checks. Common mistakes include assuming a dead motor is due to a bad control rather than checking windings first, so always confirm open circuits with a resistance test before replacing controllers. Another error is failing to isolate power and test only with the motor disconnected from the system, which can give false readings through other connected components, so remove at least one lead or the motor entirely before measuring. People sometimes interpret a normal sounding motor as healthy, even though internal shorts exist. If you see low resistance or tripping breakers, replace the motor promptly to prevent fire or further damage. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for electrical and motor work, and also helps contractors find projects that match their skills and availability. We host a discussion community where users and professionals share troubleshooting tips and experiences about motor failures and repairs.